In this video, let's quickly see what row freezing is and how to do it. So this is a table. It kind of has a lot of rows and the column headings are right here. So when we scroll through the table and when I move to the 17th or the 18th row, I don't exactly know what this particular cell means because the column heading, that is the department, has apparently been scrolled. So in order to prevent that, we can freeze these two rows so that even after scrolling, these rows are there so we can easily know what each particular cell means. For this, now my task is to freeze the first row and the second row. So for this purpose, I kind of select all the cells in the third row because freeze pane works in such a way that the rows above the selected row gets frozen. So I've selected the third row and I go to view, freeze pane, and I click on freeze pane. So you can see there appears a line here and the rows above these lines are frozen. Now when we scroll the table, the column headings are just present on the screen, so we don't have to get confused of what this means or what this means because we have it. And yeah, it's that simple and that's how it works.